Andy the Non-Diver, and I've made a little video to show you how to set up your own YouTube account. The reason I've done this is I can't find a most recent video that does this, and I found I'm not getting as many subscribers as I might do for the amount of viewers I'm getting on my YouTube channel. So if I show you how to set up your own account, maybe you'll subscribe to my channel and I'll get more subscribers. Fingers crossed. So watch this video and I'll show you how to do it. So from your desktop, open up a internet browser to Google, click sign in, and then create account for yourself. And then you want to type in your first name and your last name. For this, I'm just going to make it up. I'm going to call myself Joe Blogs because I've obviously already got an account and I don't think it's fair to set up another one in my name. Then my username, again, Mr.Joe.blogs. So it kind of goes, and I'm going to put 1980 because that was the year I was born, because there's probably someone else called Mr. Joe Blogs. Password, I'm just going to choose the generic extra strong one that Google give you and click next. Then it's going to ask me to verify because it doesn't know who I am, so it wants to verify who I am. So you put in your telephone number, and what it's going to do is send you a text message with a serial number on that you'll then put in. So because my phone is linked to my computer, what will happen now is the text will come up in the top right hand corner and the two will link up, and I can just copy and paste one into the other, which you see now. So just click the blue box that says from messages fill code. If I click that now, that'll just fill it straight into the verification code. Click verify, and then that's it, done. So what it wants is some recovery stuff, so it doesn't really need another email, so I'm just going to put in a blank date of birth, and my gender is obviously because I'm a bloke. Click next. Now you're going to have some other bits and pieces that you're not interested in whatsoever, unless you are interested, so I'll just click skip. Go through all the terms and conditions, click the two tick boxes, happy days, and create an account, confirm. So now it brings you back into Google. Notice in the top right hand corner, it's got a J for Joe Blogs. Click on it, that shows your account. You can go in and manage it, change your photograph and all that if you want to, but I just want to go straight to YouTube because I want to be a loyal subscriber. So I've clicked YouTube, or typed in YouTube in Google, click it. So now YouTube's opening up and it'll give me a load of recommendations. I just want to make sure, firstly, I'm logged in. So top right hand corner again. Yeah, I'm logged in. There's all my details. Mr. Joe Blogs. I can manage my Google account if I want to. But now I'm going to search for my favourite creator, which is Andy the Northern Diver. So I'm going to type his name in. Andy space the space Northern Diver. He already comes up because he's a cool guy. Press enter on that, and sure enough, there he is. So click on his face, and that'll bring you to my channel. You can see I've got a few subscribers, not enough. Click on the subscribe button because I want to subscribe to that channel. And then at the side of it, you can see the little bell icon. If you click that, you get three choices. So you'll get all, or personalized, or none. So click the all because you want all the notifications. And there you go. That's it. That's done. So if you scroll down the page a little bit now, what you'll get is a choice of the created playlist that I've created, or you'll get all the different uploads. So we're going to choose the first one, backplate and wing harness. Now, assuming that I'd flicked all the way through the film or watched it all the way through, I'm really happy with it. I've got to 6 minutes. Yeah, I'm sick of hearing his voice now. So I'm going to give him a like with a thumbs up. I'm going to write a comment just to tell him what I thought or answer a question he's asked. And as you can see, it's me writing about me. So wow, Andy, what a cool film. Actually, it says what a great film, but close. And click comment. So that creator knows that you've liked his video and you've given him an answer or a comment to his film, and he's going to be happy days. So you've seen that it's quite easy to set up a YouTube account, and not only once you set it up can you sort of share and like and comment and subscribe to different people's content, but you can actually make the content that we make worthwhile making by doing that for us. It does make a massive difference, I can tell you. So if you could do that for me now, like and subscribe, that'd be fantastic. See you on the next one. See you on Insta.